fucking... It's because you're a kid and you are weird.
Yeah.
Remy, you're weird.
Yeah.
You got a mushroom head, you think it's cool.
That's me, man.
And it's fine. Our boy Isaac said that.
Yeah, Isaac
I don't fucking believe you.
Yeah, at first it was 2 years. That's what he used to say. After 2 years, if I'm like, I'm gonna be in there for life, yeah, I'll let a guy suck my dick.
Oh my god, bro.
I have no...
No, man, I mean, I'm not agreeing with that. Let's just think about the situation for a second.
Okay, think about it.
If he said he had life.
Yeah.
If he has life.
If he had,
I'll
no,
beat
before he
my
was
like
like,
that.
if he
Fuck
had
that.
like 2 years.
Dude,
after,
you don't know shit. You're fucking 12 years old.
He said if he was in there after 2 years, he'd let a guy suck his.
Okay, so it's not life. It's just like.
Yeah, but now he changed it up and he was like, man, shit, I don't even know, man. After a month, I'll let a guy suck my dick.
No way.
Yes way, bro.
Okay, so I'm gonna fucking call him up and ask him about this shit. Should I call him right now?
Call him and ask him.
Put him on blast, man.
1 second.
That's funny. Yeah, we were talking about this. Isaac was a trip.
Here, pull over real quick.
Okay.
Let me roll my shit up. Oh man.
You don't have his new number?
Here, call it. I want to know what. Man, I can't believe this guy. You would never think he'd say something like that. That's funny.
You would. It's 305.
Wait. Let me see if he answers here. Hey, Isaac. It's Preston. What's up, man? You alright?
Yeah, okay.
What? You sound sick, man.
Yeah, what's up?
Did you have some dude suck your dick last night or something?
No, I should have told you to shave the beard off before you sucked me off.
What?
What the fuck?
What did he say?
Oh my god.
Bro, I didn't know you were a fag, bro.
You're a homo-ass nigga,
I didn't know you were a fag, bro.
Because you sucked me off last night, nigga. That's how I know you're a fag.
Yo, bro, this guy. Yo, Shaggy's telling me, too, a month in prison and you want to get your dick sucked.
Yeah, what?
A month in prison and you want to get your dick sucked.
I said 2 years.
Two-
And
You said...
And you can't, dog. After 2 years of no sex, nigga, you about to take anything.
Okay, wait, but then you changed it to a month.
Nigga, that's just that nigga talking shit. Nigga, what kind of nigga can go 2 months without anything? I didn't say about taking it. All I said was getting a blowjob.
Did you say go 2 months without... Wait, you're telling me you'll take a blowjob
Dude, man,
from a
don't
dude
you
after
see-
2 months?
That's some fucking
2 years.
bullshit.
Why you coming off 2 months and shit?
Yo, you know I'm filming the Bang Bus and I got you on speakerphone right in the fucking mic.
I know, nigga. I think just found out about your adventure last night then with the blowjob.
Oh my god, this guy, bro. Hey, I'm gonna show you a picture to the world, bro.
Alright.
I'm out. This guy, bro. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with Isaac? Nobody knows him, that's the thing.
That's funny.
I thought he was supposed to be hard and shit. And this guy's a...
That's funny, bro.
Let's go, man. Come on.
Oh, man.
That was more of an inside joke. For those people that have friends and, you think they're straight as hell and then you find out.
That's something, they could go the other way.
Now, I understand what he's saying. No sex for a long time, but I wouldn't just come out and say, fuck it. Let me just get my dick sucked.
Hell
Yeah,
no.
look at that.
Yeah, that is nice.
Hey, pretty lady.
What do you think? Purple. You look cute. Oh my god. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Yeah, we're a little bit lost.
Where
Are we?
trying to go?
Well, we're trying to find... We're on Las Olas right now. We're looking for the Las Olas Towers. I was thinking about...
Towers?
Yeah, I was thinking about buying a place there. It's supposed to be like the hottest spot on the street here. You don't know?
No, I think it's on A1A, but I'm not too sure.
No, I was told it was on Las Olas. Right here where we're
I
at.
thought Las Olas was A1A.
Oh, well, no, you're wrong. You're not from
Oh.
here, are you?
No, I'm actually from Pembroke Pines.
Oh, so she's from west side of 95.
Oh, yeah. Right there by the airport.
West side.
Yeah.
Just kidding. No. We're wondering, fuck, maybe we can ask her.
What do you want to ask her?
We're looking for places to live, and obviously you don't know where you're at.
No.
This place is the shit, though.
Yeah, it's very nice. Keep going up, you see the $1 million homes.
Yeah, I know.
Yachts.
It's off the chain here. So what are you doing here? Can we ask?
I'm actually shopping, like, got a day off,
Yeah,
looking around.
we've been talking to people all day. We're looking for a place. We're also interviewing people because
Like making a documentary.
no, not a documentary, but like more of like
We do like more like we just.
it's a student film.
Okay.
Is what it is. Yeah, we get graded for this, don't we?
Yeah. My teacher's pretty cool though. She goes easy.
Yeah, she gives us an A no matter what. Yeah.
Okay, well, that's a good teacher.
Yeah. Where do you go to school at all or no?
Dropout, college dropout.
You are?
Like Kanye.
Oh, really? Except he's rich.
Yes, that's the only difference.
Yeah. What's your name?
Charlene.
I'm Preston.
Nice to meet you, Preston.
It's nice to meet you too. This is Shaggy. This is Rim Job.
Hello. What's up?
Hi, Shaggy.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hello.
Rim Job. That was.
That was
Yeah.
her job.
Yeah. We think he's gay.
Um,
He hasn't come out of the closet yet, but
Yeah.
we have a feeling he will soon.
Soon enough. He's got
I
both
love gay
of
people.
So what are you doing on Las Olas?
Shopping, just shopping, looking for jewelry.
Jewelry?
Jewelry, clothes, shoes, whatever I see
Oh.
that I like.
high maintenance.
No, you're not. What are you talking about high maintenance? She's by herself.
Yeah, I'm alone.
So what? What's going on? Where's your car? Where'd you park?
I got dropped off.
You got dropped off.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. Why don't we give you a little bit of spending money if you help us out with our little college video?
Sounds fair.
We'll give you what? $50?
Yeah, $50.
50 bucks for 30 minutes?
Education works.
Yeah, that's cool with you?
Yeah, it's cool.
We can let you check out the van. I mean, you have to come around. We're gonna drive around Fort Lauderdale a little bit, and then we'll drop you off.
All
We
right.
can drop you off wherever you
Okay,
want.
well that sounds better. I've been walking. I'm hot.
You are hot. You're
Thank
really
you.
pretty. What are you?
Panamanian.
You're from Panama?
My mother is.
Like Panama City?
Like
Just
Panama by Colombia, Panama.
God damn. So you speak any Spanish?
Sí, hablo español.
Oh, you do?
Sí. Fluent.
Damn.
We got.
You are hot. Your phone's blowing up?
Yeah, I'm not sure who
Is
it
this some man that wants you?
No, it's my ride.
It is?
Yeah, you guys came in just like in the right time.
Here, yeah, just come with us and we'll drop you off.
Come on in this way.
Yeah. Don't worry, it's only us three. God, you are cute. Bye.